In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image in Google Drive on your iPhone. Then I'll show you briefly how you can share it with someone else. So let's jump into it. So this is very easy. So first you're going to need the Google Drive app. So you can get that by going to the App Store. And if you type in Drive or Google Drive, you will see it'll be the Google Drive online backup app. Go and download that and open it. You will have to sign in with your Google account. Now, once you've signed in, you can go ahead and either first create a folder if you're uploading multiple photos, or if you just want to upload one photo, you can upload it straight to Google Drive. What I'm going to do is create a folder by clicking on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then we'll go create folder, and I'll just leave this name on untitled folder. You can call it whatever. Then we can go to files in the bottom right hand corner, and here you'll see all your files in your folders. So I'm going to click on the folder, and now we're inside it. So now we'll click on the plus icon again, and then we'll click upload file, and then we can choose photos and videos or browse files. I'm going to click photos and videos, then find the photo you want to upload. So I'll just upload this one. It's of a map of Thailand. Then we'll click upload, and then it's going to process that image, and it's going to upload it to Google Drive. Here, if we click on it, you can see here is the image. So if we wanted to share this image with someone, you could either share the specific image or you can share the folder it's inside. This is good if you've got more than one image inside of the folder. So go to the folder, in our case it's called Untitled Folder, click on the three dots next to it, then click on Share at the top, and what you can do here is you can either invite people by adding their email and that will send them an invite link, or if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, click on Manage Access, you can then change General Access from restricted to anyone with the link, and then you can copy this link in the top right hand corner. So you see this button, it's going to copy the link to the clipboard, and now this link will be on your clipboard, and you can send this to someone and they'll be able to access it, and anyone with the link will be able to access it. So those are some ways, and that is how you can upload an image. I hope that helped.